Security is safety for the people. Security is safety from violent and non-violent threats. Security is taking measures that will reduce the vulnerability and minimize risk, and also to take remedial actions where prevention fails. Security is to take proactive measures that will reduce reactive investigations. I envision security as a world where people live free in dignity, free from despair. I envision security as a world where people live or feeling being secure, safety guaranteed, traceability. These are security that Nigerians as a country needs. And for you to achieve this purpose, you must be proactive. And that's the reason why this book titled The Secret Behind Proactive Security is one of the books that Nigeria as a country we need in terms of implementing the proactive measures on field that will guarantee the safety of Nigerians. Security is a logical extension of reproaches to international peace. Security cannot be achieved by a single state in isolation. This implies that the security of one state depends on the safety of the other state. Meaning, I cannot say I am guaranteed security when those in Lagos, in Plateau, in Kaduna, in Gombe, in Adamawa, in Katsina are not safe. My safety depends on the safety of others. For that reason, we cannot say because it's not me. Security is assuring safety of lives. Security is giving assurance, traceability, ensuring that things are to be in normal, free from every forms of attack, free from Boko Haram, free from other forms of attacks that have been social attacks. Security is living in dignity. A world where we don't have robbery, a world where we don't have criminals, a world where people are seen to be sent. That is where security can be guaranteed. I agree with you. You cannot totally eliminate crime, but you can bring crime to the barest minimum. So I am saying that we all need to put our hands together. Security is a collective responsibility, and we all have to put our hands on decks to ensure that the safety of lives of our people is guaranteed. I have taken this book into consideration. I've equally taken it to stakeholders. I've taken it beyond the shores of Nigeria to ensure that this book will give us the quality and that assurance that will guarantee Nigerians' safety. It's not only about giving out the book to Nigerians that is the concern. It's only about implementing the measures, the tactical approach that are all listed in the book that will give us safety, that will assure us of safety, traceability. And sometimes prevention may fail, but the most important thing is what are the remedial actions that have been put on field for our men on field to implement and also comes out victoriously. Take for instance the issue of Boko Haram that have threatened Nigeria for the past 10 years. What have been our solutions? We have been implementing the same process, the same measures. One thing you do is that change is something that is constant. But for change to happen, there must be a process into change. And that is the essence why I have often advise our security agencies, the civil defenders, Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, the Nigerian Police Force, the Army, the Department of State Security Service, the Immigration, they need to work in synergy right from our border, complementing one another to achieve our aim. When we put Nigeria as our first priority, we will now work in synergy to get the best out at any time, and also report to the chain, because there's always a chain of command. By the time we follow the chain of command, not monopolizing the whole issue, because security cannot be monopolized. It depends on the information that you have. It depends on who gets the information and where is the information coming from. For that reason, I am appealing to Nigerians to support the book, to get the book, read the book, implement the outline measures that have been stated therein in the book, so that you, being a security personnel, a security guard, even private security companies, it's for that reason I will even appeal to the stakeholders, Association of Licensed Private Security Companies of Nigeria, to also look into the book so that they can equally use this book as a training manual for all private guards. I will equally advise our government institutions that there is the need for a collaboration between the security agencies and also the private security guards, so that these private security guards can even be used for preliminary investigations. And without them having the knowledge, they cannot function. I believe that this book will serve as one of the tools that will further address and expose the panorama and the challenges facing security in Nigeria. I want to use this opportunity to equally tell our big brothers to please stop the haramming, meaning that an idea that is not founded on the grounds of war cannot also end on the ground of war. You cannot use arm to settle arm. When there's fire, you use water, and that's what we call the RIAT system. When there's fire, you use water. Depending on the level of fire, depending on the type of fire, then you look for what is needed for that same fire. So if there are certain situations that requires dialogue, and there are certain situations that requires arm to arm, Nigerians need to look at the situations of insecurity. What type of insecurity is befacing us? The human security that is that has challenged Nigeria today, we need to look at it. What type of method, what kind of approach should we give to this? I believe that this book will further expose the details of what will need to be done in Nigeria. I thank all stakeholders who have come in support of this book. I thank all of you who in one way or the other contribute to the ideas. And God bless you all. I wish you the best.